Hey guys, look what I have here. This is a cool handheld device. It's not Steam Deck, it's Pimax Portal. With this device you can play games, you can also play Steam Link, all the Steam games, and also PlayStation stream. And the next thing is you can plug this into this holder, the Portal viewer, and then you have a 6 degrees of freedom VR headset with these controllers. This is insane. And what you can do, how it looks, I will show you in this video. My name is Thomas and you're watching VoodooDE VR. Thank you to my sponsors, Woodghost VR, Opperman Events and Virtual Escape. Let's have some fun with the video and let's go.
VoodooDE.
Okay guys, let's do a short unboxing. That's how the Pimax Portal device package looks. Really cool. We have the 228GB black version. Let's open that. Here you go. Look at this beauty. Look at this. How cool is that, guys? Yeah, so the display, we have the A, B, X, Y buttons. Here are the buttons, the thumbsticks, these buttons. Here, back, home menu, FN, select start. Then we have R, second R, left, second left. Then we have a port for additional accessories, SD card slot for more disk space, the switch on button. Here's USB-C, the coolers. And at the back, there's another cooler. And look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cameras for virtual reality mode. Really cool. Yeah, and then you can just look at this. That's so awesome. Look at this, we even have more buttons here. And look how easy that is. That's insane. It's much better than Nintendo Switch or something. Perfect. Yeah, and that's the device. And let's check out the headset. So there's no package from the headset. I just got this stuff. There's additional face insert. Then here we have cleaning cloth and manual, link to the manual. That's this one. And here's the Portal viewer device. Yeah, looks like a VR head strap, a pretty good one. The quality is really good. I didn't expect that. We have the top strap here. Then on the sides, this is really good. We have the back here with this wheel. Then here's the battery included. Yeah, we can remove the battery like this. Switch the battery. Then here are the lenses. Look at this. 3 different IPDs, like the Quest 2. Proximity sensor from the handheld device itself. Yeah. And here is the cable that you put the device inside. I will show you. That's really good, right? You can also remove this part, yeah, if you like. So let's put it inside. So do it like this. Then just remove the controllers. Very easy. And then put the handheld device, the monitor, in this direction, of course, to the lenses. Make sure it's clean. Clean the display. And then just like this. And turn it. And then here. You can also use it without a battery, but of course it lasts longer then. Yeah, and now you have a VR headset. How cool is that? With the cameras. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is insane. And now here are the controllers. They look different and they look similar than the Pimax Crystal controllers. But look at this. You will have to look at this. Zack. And the right controller. This way. Zack. And now you have the VR controllers. That's insane. It's a little bit strange that the thumbsticks are down and up, but you get used to that. Trigger, grip buttons. Ha! How cool is that, guys? and you can remove them again here and here. Give me a second, like this. Yeah, and then you can use it as handheld device. That's really nice set. So let's check out what that can do. Okay guys, and look at this. I will show you the handheld mode first. So this is Cyberpunk 2077. I hope you can check it out. I hope you can see it pretty good. So this is 120 Hertz and it runs really good. So my PC is 2 rooms away, and the Cyberpunk 2077 runs really good. Look at this. That's insane. You can do everything that you can do normally. Yeah. Like, oh, that was a grenade. You can scan the area. You can go even go in the menu, and then you have a mouse pointer, and you can scroll. Here's the map, and then you can scroll around. How cool is that? And you go back, and then you're in the game again. And you can play all Steam games with that. Of course, you need a PC. Yeah, that's absolutely awesome. And you can just switch back to the Pimax Portal menu, and Steam Link still runs in the background. And yeah, that's a Steam Link here. When I push the A button, I'm back in the game here. And I can go back. And here, for example, is the PlayStation Remote Play. This is the same than Steam Link, but only with PlayStation, of course. But you also have the Pimax Store, and there are pretty many really many games here in the Pimax Store as well. Oh, you can even use Xbox, yeah. So you can play nearly everything with this device, and that's pretty cool. Yeah. So these are the games from the Pimax Store, but as I said, you can also play Xbox and PlayStation, and the best thing for me personally is Steam Link. Here you find all the applications that are installed here. Yeah. And here is the menu. You can choose different languages, different settings here. Pretty nice, right? You can switch between the mode. You can even use lower power consumption, and then the device will restart. Yeah, really nice. And yeah, that's really cool. Yeah. So go back to the game, and here we are. That is nice. Also, the sound is included, of course, inside this. Yeah, that's nice. So for a handheld device, this is really good. It's very good in my hands and so on. Plays really good. And yeah, let's check out how the VR mode is. Okay guys, and I already prepared all that stuff. What you're gonna do to switch to VR mode is go to the first menu point, click on A button, and then it says remove the controller. So I remove them, put them in the controllers holders, and then put the handheld device inside the Pimax Portal viewer. Attach that, attach the USB-C, and then like this, and the top strap. And here are the controllers. So the handheld controllers are already inside. And now we have the menu. The problem is there is no possibility to record what I see, unfortunately. I can only show you screenshots, or I can try to film through the lens or so. But I cannot show it to you really good in a better way. And I don't even need to show it, because I can already tell you, unfortunately, that there is nothing what you can do with this. There is no content. At least there are 12 apps inside. Yeah, only one of them I know, this is Audio Trip, but the rest I have no idea. And this is the only content for this cool device. I can't believe it. I can't even believe it. You can, according to Pimax, you cannot even play Steam VR games with that. Then it would be cool. But there is no way to play anything Yeah, with this device, you can only play the 12 apps out of the store. 12. This is nothing. And so this cool device is completely useless for virtual reality. Insane. I was really angry when I tried it, because when this device here, the holder and the display of the handheld and the lenses are pretty good. Also the controllers. I mean, look at the cool idea to put the handheld controllers inside this holder. And the tracking is really good. The 6 degrees of freedom tracking. Everything is so good with the hardware. But then they totally messed up the software compatibility. There is nothing you can do with that. I can't believe it. I really can't believe it, guys. I mean, the device itself, I'm only talking about VR now. VR is the total mess with this device, but the device and the hardware itself is awesome. It's very good quality, and I will still recommend to buy the handheld device, because you can play everything with it. You can play the standalone stuff, the games from the store. You can play Steam Link, PlayStation, Xbox, everything. Yeah, and that's really nice. I will definitely recommend it. It's a good feeling in the hands and so on. But the VR mode, there is no content. And I cannot believe, how can they put so much effort in designing such cool stuff and such a cool and comfortable holder, and then totally mess up the software compatibility? How on earth is that possible? I told Pimax so many times, just listen to me. Why don't they listen to me? Yeah? Why don't they contact some other platforms like Valve, or just produce Steam Link app or whatever? They didn't do anything. And now we can throw it away. It's useless. I'm talking about the VR headset holder, yeah? Not the device itself. They should I should work for Pimax. I should definitely work for Pimax. I'm pretty sure if they just listen to me, they could do much, much better. I mean, they have so great devices like the Crystal, and this hardware is awesome. But they always fuck up the software every single time. I'm sorry to tell you that, because I'm a really huge fan of Pimax. I love the Crystal, it's one of my favorite headsets and so on. I also love this device as a handheld. It's really good, so that's why I recommend it. If you want to buy it, there's a sale right now. I think it's like 30 or 40% off from the Pimax Portal handheld device. Really cool. Go via my link and use my coupon code, and then it's really nice deal. Because as you saw, you can play nearly everything with this, besides VR. But yeah, then it's really good. It's a nice handheld. I love it. And I will play privately with this thing as well in my free time. But not VR, of course, because there are no apps. Oh my God. Yeah, that's Pimax. This is how I know Pimax since years. Yeah, nothing changed. They don't listen to me. I told them don't do that with this. Don't do that. And I also told them, don't use a battery in the Pimax Crystal, and don't do a standalone mode. They didn't listen. And now nobody cares about the standalone mode and the battery of the Pimax Crystal. Just listen to me. Is that so hard? Oh, guys. However, yeah, as I said, the hardware is very, very good. And yeah, that's what I can tell you. There's nothing more I can tell you about this device. Check out the link in the descriptions below. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time in virtual reality. See ya!
VoodooDE